I am so happy. This is my first longest hair challenge, and I got a good result for this. Now I'll be using all of those: the spray bottle with water, your oil, your tooth comb, wide one, your losing equipment, and your rubber band. Welcome. If this is your first time on this channel, I love you being here. Thank you for stopping by. To my returning viewers, thank you for the encouragement always. This protective styling did what I wanted it to do. This is the end of my 9 weeks carrying this protective style. For those of you that joined in the challenge, how is your hair doing? Are you also losing yours, or you still going with the challenge? For me, I think I am okay. I want to see the result after 9 weeks, and this is it. You can see I have growth. I have enough growth underneath that threading. Throughout my 9 weeks of this protective style, I do wash it every 2 weeks to make sure my scalp is clean, to carry on the growth process. And this really helps a lot. My hair was not very dirty at the end of this challenge. You can see it, see how clean it was. Now I have loosened all the threading, all the thread are gone, and I'm just doing the first length check. See me here, I was elated. I'm blushing. Look at it. I had 1 inch growth, or 1 inch growth, 1.1 inch here, and I just did a fast random hair length check, and I had the equal length for the side and the front growth. Now let's check the back length. Let's check the back length. What do we have? We have 1 inch. So this is the tip. If you do a long protective style, you want to take your time to lose them, and you want to lose them when you are prepared. This is getting around 3 o'clock or 3 o'clock, but I was ready to lose this hair. I don't lose my hair when I am not ready, because I'll have so much breakage and that will damage my hair. So I was ready to start losing this hair. I lost it. I didn't finish it that day, but like I said, I was ready. So you want to take your time to lose it so that your protective styling will not end up being a destructive styling. So I took my time to lose it and losing how to do braids. This is it. I was losing it. This is still the losing process. This is not a detangling process yet. I am loosening it to get all the braids loosed, to get it ready for detangling. You can see how I'm doing it. You want to do it gently. That is why you have your spray bottle and your oil. Then you go in after properly loosening it with your spray bottle, water. I use water most times, since it's just to detangle it, to get the knot out. So this is how I did for all the section of my hair. And after that, I went in with my water. Make sure the hair is moisturized before detangling it, because I really want to see the growth. I want to see the difference this protective style did to my hair. So after putting in my water, applying water, applied a little oil. If your hair is oily, you might not need to apply any other oil if you feel it is moisturized. So I just moisturized it, and I gently comb it out to be properly sure that I have detangled that section, and I twisted it up. So this is another tip. You want to twist them in sections as you are losing them, so that you will not get them mucked up together at the end of the losing process. And this is me. This is it. It was getting dark here. It's getting late here. So I just had to stretch it a bit to see the length, the growth length properly. You can do it without stretching, but you might not really get accurate results, a proper result. So you might as well want to stretch it out a bit so that you can see that length, those inches or that inch. It depends on how fast your hair grows, or it's not up to inch. It depends on your hair growth stage or process or phase. I am done here, and this was my hair length check before I got the style installed. The front is 5.5. Now let's check what we have here. 5.5 inches. And now we have, what do we have? We have okay, a bit close to 7 inches. Look at that. And the back we had 5.3 when we started the protective styling. That was my hair length check. Now let's see what we gained together. Yes, because we did it together. This is also a little close to 7 inches. So let me check the other side. Now I did check the crown of my head off the camera to avoid the video getting so long, but I had close to 1 inch there too. So I will say this protective style